you are up.
So, India is facing against a very dangerous virus called COVID-19. COVID-19 coronavirus is a related RNA virus that causes disease in mammals and birds. There are currently 1,55,227 active cases of corona in India, and almost 1,86,934 people are cured and discharged from hospitals. And sadly, 11,903 people are died due to this virus. Our government has taken many steps to prevent people from this pandemic situation. There is no doubt that India is the second largest country in terms of population, and in such condition, the battle against coronavirus becomes even more challenging. We worked hard to turn every challenge into an opportunity. As soon as an alarm about coronavirus was sounded, our government started taking some rapid measures. We have also made a toll-free helpline number, which is 1075. After many days, Unlock Phase 1 will be initiated in country from June 8, under which the nationwide COVID-19 lockdown effectuated on March 24 will be relaxed to great extent, including opening of shopping malls, restaurants and religious places. So the provision have been made to give relaxation in areas outside the containment zone in a phased manner. For this relaxation will be given to the various activities. Unlock doesn't mean freedom, so it is to be ensured that no more than 5 people gather in public places, and social distancing is strictly to be assured. The officers are directed not only any public place gathering till June 30. After that, the decision will be taken considering the circumstances. This will not only solve the problems of the country, but also.
Please wrap up.
Sorry?
Please wrap up. Your time is elapsed.
Okay.
Alright, if you don't want to conclude your last point.
Human resource are the backbone of the industry sector. A large number of workers are now available in states. They have built the nation and the society. The workers who have returned to the states will now do the Navniman of India.
Alright, thank you, delegate. Thank you, delegate. So, looking for a point of information for Mr. Narendra Modi. Next, we have for opening statements, we have Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi, you have the floor for 90 seconds.
The nationwide spreading coronavirus has started its race in India that is spreading really fast. Taking up this issue by addressing the nation, that is me, that is Mr. Rahul Gandhi, is going to address the nation on Monday. We started by the food that is the thing more dangerous than ignorance is arrogance, and saying formally that no lockdown can stop the virus. It can only cause the virus. And what about the economic condition of the country, which is badly affected by this lockdown? And advising the party to go for direct cash transfer to his poor families, migrant laborers, and also suggest to help small businesses of poor people. For tackling the economic conditions, not only lockdown is satisfactory, we should also test more strategically for what we can know how many cases are coming up to date, and we can give the treatment accordingly. When the lockdown was not needed in World War, why it is needed now? I only believe in testing for coronavirus. Testing will only control and check the spreading of disease. I want to ask the government, what is their status as far as India's opening up is concerned?
Delegate. Alright, delegate. Thank you, delegate. I
I want to ask Mr. Amit Shah that during this virtual rally, Amit Shah has spent rupees 100 crore during this virtual rally. Didn't you think the Home Minister should expense this amount in during this pandemic time?
See, there are a lot of contributions from other people if you check the list, and we have done virtual rally for people so that they can keep themselves safe. And if a virtual rally happens, then the people will get a right to vote. And the जहाँ तक आपका सवाल है कि ये 100 करोड़ इसमें पैंडेमिक में यूज नहीं हुए हैं, you can check the list क्योंकि there are a lot of contributions from other people and other companies, so it has been a great contribution from their side.
Right. So thank you, delegate.